Wash here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to do knotless braids. Right, just in a second, because I couldn't get a close-up view, so I'm just trying to show you what I have been doing. Yeah, I'm learning from my own. Yeah, because I've been watching videos and I tried them there and it wasn't working for me, so I just try until I found a way that I felt comfortable with and did it. Yeah, basically. Okay guys, so we are going to part here using an edge booster and a tail comb, or just a pointed teeth comb to get a straight part, and an edge control edge booster. The ones I'm using is ossion. So you're going to part here in the desired shape. I think this is box, rectangle, whatever, box, knotless braids. Yes, that. So now you're going to do here like you're plaiting it. Like you're plaiting it. So you're going to hold it here like you're plaiting it in 3 sections. If you plait on the wrong side or the right side, I believe this is the right side. So you're going to hold it and you're going to make 1 to 2 plaits first. As you can see what I'm doing right here, I already have a detailed tutorial on how to plait here, I think. Yes. So we're going to put the here a small piece. You start off with a small piece and then you gradually increase. And now you're just going to, I don't know how to explain how you add in the ear, but I'm going to show you another time and you can see if you get it. So we're going to put the hair in between our fingers right there, one at the top and one at the bottom, and continue plaiting. You have to use small amount, guys. You cannot just go to small and jump to big, it won't look good. So you have to gradually increase the size of the hair that you're adding, basically. So that's what I'm doing right there. Again, put it between your fingers and bring it over and continue plaiting. Once again, I believe this one is more detailed and I'll show you more. So the 3 parts of your hair, start plaiting it. You can do it 2 times, 3 times, 1 time. It all depends on your preference, right? So now you see where I put the hair in the middle, in between my fingers. Yes, I add it, 1 to the bottom part and 1 to the top part, and continue plaiting. So you're going to have 1 without hair, and then you're going to add the hair to that part. Yes, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So you see it up here right there now? Yeah. And you just continue doing that, going down. You add hair as you go along, depends on the length that you want and the thickness of the braid, and that's basically it. Yeah, you have a knotless braid and you're good to go. Remember to like the video, guys, subscribe, share it with somebody who wants to learn how to knotless. If you learned something in this video, comment down below so I can see you and know that you was here and all those good stuff. Yes, guys, I don't have anything else to say to you. Enjoy the rest of the video, enjoy the music. Yes, I'm gonna say I learned something new because I'm a teacher. So guys, after you finish, you're going to hot water the hair, and then you dry it. You add your mousse, you add your oil sheen, you add anything that you like in your braid. Basically, you have to make it smell nice and look clean, and that's the finished look. Remember to like the video, share it with a friend, and yeah, that's it.